Come on in, come on in, come on in. We're making some of this here home style chili. You're gonna love this here recipe, y'all. It's easy and it's simple. Stay with us, check it out. So we got some kidney beans, all right? And we got some Hunt's tomato paste with about 3 cans of small tomato sauce Hunt's, and we got about 5 cans of diced tomatoes, 1 pack of this here mild chili McCormick's, and then we also have for our seasoning some paprika, some black pepper, some salt, some onion powder, Cajun seasoning, garlic powder, and some parsley. And we got a little bit of this here sugar just to kill down some of that acidity from the tomatoes. But look at here, y'all, we got some Spain spices taco seasoning. This here home style chili is going to be busting. Yes, it is. I'm telling you right now. So you don't want to go nowhere. Trust and believe me, because with these seasonings, everything in this here container is about 1 tablespoon besides the salt, the kosher salt. That's a half a tablespoon, but 1 tablespoon for everything else. Then I have some ground beef, all right? I got about 3 packs. You could use whatever you like. And I also, now this is what we're gonna do first. We're gonna go ahead, this is my wife's recipe. So we're gonna go ahead and put our chili in a pot, and then we're gonna hit it off with some of this here Lipton onion soup mix, 1 packet of that. I'm talking about flavor. We are making some flavorful home style chili. Now she's mixing it up, browning up the meat. But while this meat here is browning, we want to go ahead and do something else. Let's add some onions to the pot. So we got 1 diced up onion, and we're gonna add that in, and now we're gonna go ahead and brown this up. Now, once we brown it, we're gonna drain the meat and add it back to the pot. Don't go nowhere. Check it out. Now we done drained our meat. Let's go ahead and add it to the pot. Go ahead and toss in those kidney beans. Once you got your kidney beans tossed in, go ahead and toss in your diced tomatoes. Any type of flavors that you like, add it. Then we got some of this here tomato sauce that we're gonna toss in, and then we're gonna also toss in the full can of this little small can of tomato paste. I'm going to leave the ingredients in the description show more section for you so you can check out what I'm adding to this here pot. Trust and believe me, y'all. These here Southern style homemade chili. I'm talking about home style chili now. It's going to be busting. All right. Now we're going to just mix everything up as we go. We got our heat on medium high heat. And now what we're going to end up doing is just stir this baby until we can't stir it no more. So let's go ahead and incorporate our seasoning. So take that pack of McCormick's mild chili seasoning and add it to it. Yes, this is going to give us some flavor. I had 2 packs of that. Like I told you, everything in the ingredients is going to be in the description box. So click on it. Check it out, y'all. Now I'm going to toss in the sugar, and I'm going to add the rest of the seasonings. Like I said, everything in here is about 1 tablespoon, except for the kosher salt. That's at a half a tablespoon. We're talking about mad flavor. So just go ahead and mix this baby up and let it continue to simmer in that pot. Put you a lid on it. Once it's finished cooking, you better plate this baby up, because we're talking about some good tasting home style chili. And you're definitely going to love this here recipe if you give it a try. Now, I don't know about y'all, but this looks good to me. I will smash this. I'll dive right into it. Give me a chili diving board, and I'm diving in head first. Look, you can go ahead and put you some Cool Whip on it. Cool Whip. Don't put no Cool Whip on this, but you can put you some sour cream on this with some chives and basically deck it up however you like. but you need to try this here recipe. All right, but I want you guys to do me a favor. Go ahead and hit that like button, and also smash, I mean really smash that subscribe button. Tell a friend that Ray Matt's Kitchen and Grill is cooking up something good. Thank you so much for watching this here video. Watch the videos in my suggestion and what's next, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel, okay? Comment below. Let me know what you would like to see in the future. So love and not hate. Love somebody and hate nobody. Peace.